5 ways to use baking soda for the most common skin problems. Baking soda is one ingredient that you will always find in your kitchen cabinet, but have you ever thought of including it in your beauty regime? 1. Removes acne scars. When your skin becomes clogged with dead skin, oil, or bacteria, tiny pimples appear on the surface called acne. If acne is not properly dealt with, it can leave some marks and scars behind. To remove these scars from your face, use a paste of baking soda and water. Make it thick enough so that it can be easily applied to your skin. Baking soda will exfoliate the scarred skin and reveal a fresh layer. You can apply the paste 2 or 3 times in a day for 3 to 4 minutes and then wash off. 2. Soothes skin rashes. Add coconut oil to baking soda and apply this paste for 4 to 5 minutes. You can apply this twice a day for a soothing effect. 3. Remedy for sunburn. If your sun-damaged skin has been very itchy, it is best to reach out for baking soda as it has a cooling effect. Make a paste of baking soda and cold water, apply it on the affected area, and then wash off. 4. Skin tan. Baking soda helps in removing skin tan. Combine a teaspoon of baking soda, water, and vinegar to make a paste. 5. Blackheads. Since baking soda contains antibacterial and antifungal properties, it helps in treating infections that cause blackheads. It loosens the skin around them to enable easy extraction. It is in no way a substitute for qualified medical opinion.